All right, guys, welcome back. Here to unravel the threads of Fashion Era is CEO Devarine McLean. She's here to share a few denim styles that we can rock for 2024 and how she came into this profession. I wonder if you can pick her out among all the other ladies standing here. Give her a wide shot for me, please. Do you see her standing? I can't make her out. She's so gorgeous. She fit right in. Hi, lady. How are you?
Hi. How are you?
I'm fantastic. Thank you so much. You know, I love fashion, right? So this is such a great time for me right now. And I'm more excited to hear that denim in particular is back for 2024.
To me personally, denim has never left.
Really? Well, that's true because, hey, we wear jeans every day, right? Yeah, we wear jeans every day. But particularly the styles that these denims are coming in, though. I mean, this is fantastic. Let's talk about them.
So patchwork came in 2023.
Yeah.
I mean, of course, it's trending back then, but came back in style 2023, and Barbie was trending. So this is how this pink outfit came about.
Oh, wow.
I wanted to take advantage of the Barbie trend, so I dyed the denim myself and I did the patchwork myself.
You dyed the denim yourself?
Yes.
And you did the patchwork yourself? As in, these are not something we make and
No, not
they were
from a
brought
vendor,
into
not from a factory.
Wow.
All these pieces are handmade, every single one by me.
Manners and respect on your name, baby. Manners and respect on your name. So Fashion Era now, that's the name of the store?
Yes.
Okay, tell us about it.
All right, so Fashion Era came about when I was playing with names, right? I didn't start in my business as yet. You know, of course, I'm a girl in the fashion, and Naira is actually the last part of my first name spelled backwards. So I wanted to create basically a nickname, and I love fashion. And I wanted to incorporate my name, so I was like, Fashion and Naira.
Oh my gosh.
That's how, yes.
Oh my gosh, I love it. So hold on, you said all of the patchwork you've done. So this one as well, we're looking at, you did this as well?
Of course.
And the hat as well?
The hat as well, the jacket, the pants, and of course, the one that I'm wearing.
Fantastic. Are the patches from previously, worn denims, or you just bought new denims and just cut them all together and just said, boy?
Actually, the patches are from denim that I would use and make the skirt or the shorts, right? As a designer, you want to find ways in which you can maximize your profit, and this is how the patchwork basically came about for me. So all these patches are when I make shorts, I usually use pants. So I cut the pants into shorts and then rip them. I used to throw away for years the feet of the pants.
Me too, love, all of us.
So now, 2023, I found use for them. The bras, the jackets, the hats.
How long does a work like this take, though? Because I'm thinking to myself, boy, this looks like whole day business.
Actually, I don't usually time myself.
Okay.
It's something that I love to do. So I literally sit home every day in front of the TV and I just create.
I love it. It's so nice. So something like this, though, because the usual denim without any kind of style is thought of as affordable, right? Does this increase the price for a denim piece?
All right, so you pay for quality. I don't really use the word affordable when it comes to my pieces, because my pieces, you're going to pay for my time and, of course, my craft. So I wouldn't say my pieces are affordable, to be honest, because, example, this jacket is about $15,000 because it takes time and creativity.
And you're buying something unique.
And they're unique.
Yeah, you're not going to go nowhere else and see it.
That's right.
Yeah.
And my finish is impeccable, so.
Hey, all right. Now, listen, I know that this piece in particular, though, this took a lot of work, a lot of creativity. Ooh, child. And I can just imagine what something like this also costs as well, because this comes with the bling.
All right, so this entire outfit, we're probably looking at around $90,000. Yes, $90,000 Jamaican dollars.
I don't normally suffer with respiratory problems, but seriously.
I mean,
90 as in 90?
90.
00?
000, yes.
Good child. Okay, all right, cool. So these pieces now, I love this. This is a very unique piece. So this is really and truly something I'm thinking that Michelle Downer would actually be wearing on one of her shows. And that's the last time we're going to see Michelle Downer in it, because something like this you can't repeat.
Actually, you can, probably a year later.
A year later.
Statement.
Okay, gotcha. All right, my darling, cool. Let's move on. This piece is really, really nice. I like this. I'm thinking beach. I'm thinking club, maybe.
Yes.
Yeah.
Or a day out. All right, so this piece is for the reserved ladies, right? It's ripped at the front only, and it's not showing much skin.
Yeah.
So I have a little bit of something for everybody, right? And my preferred brand is Levi's.
Oh,
so I
okay.
mostly use Levi's when I'm creating my, pieces.
Yeah, well, that's
so of
good.
course
That would
it's gonna
explain it.
last
Yeah.
a lifetime.
Yeah, because when you feel it, the quality is impeccable. Yeah, you know this not going, thread out when you put it in the machine. It's going to come
Not
out
at all.
as.
Not at all.
Yeah, and I love this piece. It's black, so it's my kind of vibe. I love this one. Tell us about it.
Patchwork skirt.
Yeah.
Right. Scraps, of course. And this is a bra. And of course, I'm going to design it. So it's patchwork all over. And I mixed it with gray, a little acid wash, black.
Yeah.
So, you get that little contrast.
Yeah. But what if I wanted something to be designed for me? I had, an ask for myself and said, boy, listen, make this for me, please. Could you design something to my taste and my liking?
Yes, I could. However, you'd have to place your order in advance because I don't usually do work in the island. All these I make overseas where I live, and then I ship them in the island because
Oh, got you.
I
Okay.
find that I have limited resources here
Right.
in Jamaica when I'm creating these pieces. I can't get up. If an idea come to mind, I can't get up and run to Walmart
Yeah.
and get what I need right away.
Very, very true
I have to
point.
order online
Yeah.
or, be...
Shipping and handling.
Yes.
All kind of stuff.
But you can. I have customers that place their orders, while I'm away. I do them. And of
Yeah.
course, we're in modern times, so I ship it down.
I love it. All right, so outside of denim, can you tell us anything else that we should look out for this year in terms of fashion?
In terms of fashion, outside of denim, I realize lace.
Okay.
Lace is trending currently, so I want to incorporate lace in my denim. I don't know how yet, but the idea is going to come to mind when I'm sleeping.
I love
And that's how most of these ideas they come to mind.
I love it. I love it. So Fashionera is actually a physical store in Jamaica.
Yes.
Where is it located?
Central Plaza. So there's Shop Fashionera, which is a clothing store on Central Plaza. There's also Fashionera Beauty, which is on Central Plaza.
And the beauty is the hair and nails salon kind of vibe?
No, beauty supplies. So
Okay.
let's say massage beds.
Yeah.
Lash tools.
Right. Some more
lashes,
equipment-based
makeup.
stuff.
Yes.
Gotcha. Okay. All right, my darling. And you are online at?
I'm online at www.shopfashionera.com. I also have a physical location in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And I will be having a 4th location in New Kingston.
You heard it right
Probably
here.
next month.
Exclusive.
Almost complete.
Congratulations, lovely.
Thank you.
High fives all around. I love it. Guys, make sure you grab your denim wear, all right? CEO of Fashionera, Devarine McLean. Stay with us right here on Weekend Smile. Me, Devs, and all the lady. We're going to continue checking out these styles. We'll soon come back. Stay with us. I like this.
TVJ Deadlock. TVJ Deadlock.
Coming, coming.